Thank you for visiting Storm Tracker. This is going to be a quick tour of the website to help you navigate your way around. Looking at the first page, the home page, you'll find a link to WeatherBug forecast. All you have to do is click on the edit portion there and type in your zip code. In the second frame is the weather radar by way of the Weather Channel using Google Maps. To the right of that is a Google map with the satellite overlay, and on below that is a easy Google search engine along with a couple other items, and down toward the bottom of that first page is a YouTube search, and to the bottom right is a listing of various TV networks shows that you can watch online. Next we have the interactive weather radar page. This is a page completely dedicated to weather radar. It is live updated via the Weather Channel and the use of Google Maps. You can zoom, pan, and go to different parts of the country. I found this to be a pretty useful gadget that was added to this website just a couple of days ago. Next we have the F5 winter data and my thoughts page. As I explained in a previous video, at the very top of that page it will indicate what time the last complete update was made by me, and any other special information at the top. Then the next two images that you see are the GFS and the name. They are from the F5 data ingestion software, and the maps that you're currently looking at on this page and will always be on this page when we have an active winter weather system ongoing will be the total snowfall accumulation potential for a set period of time. Presently I have it set up on 72 hours, and these maps automatically update when new information becomes available. Typically they update 4 times a day. On below that is the precipitation type index from the RUC, which is Rapid Update Cycle model, and it's usually for about a period of 2 hours in advance. You will look at the bottom of the image, and where it reads valid and then it gives a time Zulu, that is the hour on which that forecast becomes usable. And if you go all the way over to the right hand side of that timestamp, it reads model RUC and the model runtime along with the today's date. To the right of that is the Outlook page, the Outlook regions and Michael's Outlook for the given regions. And just below that is an opportunity for you to type in your email address and then make any questions or comments that you have about this website specifically, and I will answer those emails within 24 hours or sooner, depending upon when I have the opportunity to sit down and read the email. One thing I want to point out real quickly is right above that box is a blue Parachat Chat Now image. If you click on that, it will open up a chat utility, and all you have to do is type in a username, click connect, and you're set to go. Give it a couple of seconds to make all its connections. Sometime in the near future I hope to implement that to the point to where during current severe weather or other events at a set time I will be in that chat area so that you can stop by, ask questions, or perhaps get some updated information about the ongoing weather. And I would also like to point out briefly that this is done as a hobby by me. I am not trying to outdo a professional forecaster, because I myself am not a professional forecaster and don't claim to be. It's just my interest to learn, study more about the weather and the environment, and to see how well I can do in second guessing Mother Nature, which sometimes I do pretty well, and sometimes I don't. In as quick a manner as I can possibly do, those are the basic pages specific to the Storm Tracker page. You also have links on the left-hand side to Chris Bailey's blog, Weather with Mitch, Southeast Kentucky Weather with Shane, Tommy's Kentucky blog, Tropical Update with Jim Williams of HurricaneCity.com. You can reach NOAA radio broadcast via the Weather Underground, an AccuWeather video presentation, WeatherBug video forecast, and those are updated daily. There is a link there to some excellent satellite imagery, and also at the very bottom is, if you click on the CNN Live, it will come up during the daylight hours, and you can watch whatever they happen to be covering, usually from 4 or 5 different locations. You just pick the stream that you want to watch. Just a handy little device that I found there. I can be reached at mjhdp@roadrunner.com.